suppose you are facing the same issue you just saw in the previous clip. So today I have got a permanent solution for your motovlogging mic. So let's get into it. So all you need is your microphone from your helmet, some old earphones, soldering iron, sponge, some surgical gloves, an old homeopathy medicine bottle, electrical tape, normal razor blade, 3M sticking tape, and a rubber band. So I am using an SJ Cam mic. So I have already replaced the sensor. On the left hand side, the sensor you are looking is the original sensor that comes with the SJ Cam, and this is the sensor that I have removed from an old earphone that has a mic. This is available in the market. You can do it at home using a soldering iron, or you can visit any mobile repairing shop. They will do it for a very nominal charge. So the second step is you have to cover this mic with a surgical glove. You can cut the finger out and cut over here also. So this will go inside. This will look something like this, and now cover it up and use the original casing to make this a little bit tight. Don't pull it, otherwise you will pull out the sensor. Just a little bit and you're done. Now using this homeopathy bottle, cut the bottom in a slant surface, something like this. Okay, now you have to put it over this thing. So this will not be so tight. So we'll be using an electrical tape to cover this part. So it becomes a little tight with this bottle. Now put this bottle over the microphone. It will be a little snug fit, but make sure the tape doesn't slip down. Something like this. Draw an outer diagram of this cap from the bottle you have used. You need 2 of these. Now cut them using a scissor or a razor blade. So you have 2 pieces of sponge that are cut in the circular shape. You have to put 1 sponge on the bottom of this, like this, and second one will be on the top. Make sure there is a little bit of gap between the 2 sponge, something like this. Basically this will be your setup, your sensor, over that a sponge, a piece of sponge, a little bit of space, and then another sponge. Now take another piece of sponge and cover it from the top, and cut a finger from a surgical gloves and cover it up. Cover it with 2 to 3 layers. You have 5 fingers in this. You can cover it with 2 to 3 layers. So I'll do it behind the screen. So make sure it is a snug fit, and using a rubber band, tighten the bottom so that no air enters this or it makes any noise when you are riding fast. So after the rubber band, this will be your final product. You can cut the remaining part of the surgical gloves if you want. I'll cut it because it will look a little neat. Now take the 3M tape and cut a little portion so that it will stick to your helmet's chin place. Make sure whenever you are positioning the mic in your helmet, the slant portion should be towards your mouth. So you have to stick the tape opposite to it. Now mount this to any corner that you are comfortable with. I'll be putting it over here. So the slant part is facing towards you, and you're done. So now we have come out to check the audio quality of this mic. I won't be able to do heavy speeds very high speeds, but I'll try to do as best as possible. Now that my visor is open, we are doing 20, 30, 40, 40, 50, almost 50 kilometers per hour. Visor is still open. We are doing 60. Okay. डेंजर था ये. 60 था, वाइजर ओपन था. अब बंद करते. Okay, now this is a good space to go. 20, this is 30, almost 40, this is now 50. The visor is closed. We are doing 50, 55, 60 kilometers per hour. Check, mic check. No wind noise. I hope so. We are doing 65, almost 70 kilometers per hour. Okay, slow down. I hope the audio quality is good and satisfying as per your requirements. So I'll end the video over here now. If you liked it, do comment and let me know. If you have some suggestions, tell me that also, so I can improve my mic also. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Like, share and subscribe. Do share to everybody who needs this solution for their motovlogging mic. Thank you.